Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping focused, workable sections. That speeds results. Start with a 0, 5 1, 5 mm crochet hook and a latch or yarn tail for texture. Backcomb each 1/2 1-inch section toward the scalp to create a firm core, then twist and secure the base with a tiny elastic so hair holds while you crochet. Once done, use short, controlled hook pulls to pull stray fibers into the core. You are building density, not just tangles, so work snugly and consistently. Once your bases are secure, continue crocheting down the length of each lock. You pull small loops of stray hair into the core with a single hook motion and then tighten. Rotate the lock in your hand as you work so tightening is even. This prevents flat spots. If you want bulk or color, feed yarn into the core by pulling it through with the hook and blending with hair. Make sure to palm roll and compress periodically. This shapes the dread and locks fibers together efficiently. To finish, tidy tips by trimming and doing final tight pulls with your crochet hook. A small amount of wax can help stubborn frizz. Make sure to palm roll each lock daily and protect your hair at night. Sleeping with a silk scarf reduces fuzz and speeds maturation. If a lock starts to loosen, don't panic. Reverse a few crochet pulls at the point of failure, rebuild the core with controlled pulls, then compress and secure the base. This fixes most problems without removing the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.